Mason, and you're watching Kids Garage. Today, I'm going to be basically showing you all the projects and stuff I will be working on in the to-come videos. First, we have this Monster Moto mini bike, but it's gonna need a new engine because I was riding it the other day and it had oil, had everything it needed, and there's a hole that I can stick my finger. There's a big enough hole that I can stick my finger in the side of the engine. And number 2 is this Fox Racing go-kart. I'm thinking about selling this. It has, I don't know if you can see that, but has a twist right there in the chain. And it's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be like that. So I need a new chain for this. And the chain is really loose. Next, we have this 1987 Chevy S10. It's a really good truck. It's our farm truck. Right now, it cranks over real fast but doesn't start. It doesn't have any spark, so I think it's something wrong with the timing chain or the camshaft. So I'm taking this water pump off. I got some of the bolts off. I got the pulley off, the fan. I got the radiator off. I got a lot of the stuff out of here. I got the serpentine belt off. And next we have this Ford Escape V6. It has a blown transmission. I prefer Chevys, but this will be a car that we can work on. We might take the radiator out of it and put it in that truck because that truck has problems with its radiator. Then next we have another Ford. It's I don't know anything about it. It's a Ford car. It had a blown brake line like 2 years ago, and now it's been sitting, so I'm sure it has other problems. Next, we have this giant Chevy Mack truck, and it either has a 5.7 liter diesel or a 6.7 liter diesel, but it hasn't been ran in a few years. It's just been sitting here because I don't know why. But here's the engine. Pretty nice truck. I'd assume we could probably turn it into like a RV or something if we get it running and get it cleaned out. I think that's all. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more, if you want to see the videos that I work on these things, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you can see when I post those videos. Thanks for watching.